Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set a new password in the Chargemap application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the account button at the bottom of the page on the right. And at the your account section, click on the password button. So first you have to provide your current password. And then just type in a new password. And then the new password again. And then just click on the save button. And your password is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.